So a few things you can do to make your exterior paint job last longer. So I guess the main thing is preparation. Preparation has to be done correctly. So you have to over prep on the scraping and sanding. So we've talked about it before where even if there's a hairline crack, we need to run a sander over it to make sure the paint around that crack is not compromised. We need to make sure that we get any compromised paint all the way back out to sound. We need to make sure we fill cracks and joints where water can get in. That'll cause paint to peel. So as long as we do good preparation, getting compromised paint off, fill cracks where water can get in, take care of that, the next thing you can do is choose a higher sheen of paint. So when I moved here to Prescott, everybody was just putting flat paint on their house, and here in Prescott, flat paint fades in 6 months to a year and a half, and I don't care if you buy somebody's absolute best lifetime paint. If my cost went to Sherwin-Williams and bought their lifetime paint and it cost me 80 bucks a gallon, it's still gonna fade in 6 months to a year and a half. So you may as well put crappy flat paint on because it's gonna last just as long. So put a satin finish on, you'll get a longer life. So satin holds the color much longer, holds the sheen longer, it helps repel dust, it helps repel water, so you get a longer life, and it's more flexible than flat paint. Flat paint is very brittle. So that being said, if you can tolerate semi-gloss, that will hold up better than satin. Now nobody's gonna tolerate a full gloss finish here, it's more of an East Coast thing, but if you could tolerate full gloss on your exterior, like a high gloss, that will hold up even better than semi-gloss. So choose the sheen that you're comfortable with, that is as shiny as you can tolerate, and it will hold up much better. Because the shinier you get, the more flexible you get. So imagine your flat paint, if it's very brittle, and we know the house expands and contracts all day long as we go through our temperature changes, that's a point eventually it'll crack, and then water can get in there, and it starts the peeling process. So more flexible paint. And lastly, what you can do is just wash your house down at least once a year. It's very dusty here. And you can go out with a garden hose and just rinse the dust down before it gets baked onto your home, and that will help. And of course, we would always come out and pressure wash your home if you'd like. But for me, I'm washing my house off at least every year, and sometimes I'm washing some areas off twice a year and just keeping it fresh and looking clean. And that's how you can make your exterior job look better longer.